Good day, viewers at home. This is on Pythagorean triple. In the previous lesson, we talked about Pythagorean rules or Pythagoras Triples. Now, what do we mean by a Pythagorean triple? When you have a set of numbers, usually 3, we call them Pythagorean triple if the sum of the squares of the two smaller numbers is the same thing as the square of the largest one. That is, we have 3, 4, and 5 here. 3 squared plus 4 squared. That will be 9 plus 16. And this is 25. 5 is the largest of them here. So the sum of the square of these two numbers is 25. Now, 5 squared is also 25. So we can see that the square of the largest one is the same thing as the sum of the squares of the smaller ones. So that means 3, 4, and 5 forms a Pythagorean triple. This is how to detect if a given set of 3 numbers is a Pythagorean triple. Let's take another example. Say we have 5, 8, and 13. 5 squared is 25. 8 squared is 64. If you add this, 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. The sum of their squares is 89. Now, the largest one is 13. 13 squared is 169. And we can see that the sum of the squares of these two smaller numbers is not the same thing as the square of the largest one. So that means 5, 8, 13 do not form a Pythagorean triple. So this is how to get when you are asked Pythagorean triple. If you are familiar with Pythagorean triples, it will be easier whenever you have a question on Pythagoras rule. So